Moroi Makadini, Tinokuchingamizai pa Shonaland. Hi, how are you? Welcome to Shonaland. This is episode 3 of Body Parts in Shona. Thank you very much if you are joining us for the first time here. Do make sure to click the subscribe button, hit on that notification bell, and make sure you leave a like if you like this video. And if you dislike it, do make sure to click it twice just to be sure. We also thrive on your comments, so do make sure to drop a comment so that we will know what you want to learn and where to improve. To our valued subscribers, thank you very much for your continuous support. We appreciate you so much. So let's get started with today's lesson, Body Parts in Shona, episode 3. Body parts, mitezo yemuviri. Chest, chipfuva. I have a chest pain. Ndiri kurwadziwa pachipfuva. My chest hurts when I cough. Chipfuva chiri kurwadza pandiri kukosora. Nail, nzwara. I need to cut my nails. Ndoda kucheka nzwara dzangu. My nails are collecting dirt. Nzwara dzangu dziri kuchengeta tsvina. Heart, moyo. My heart feels heavy. Ndiri kunzwa kuremerwa pamoyo. My heart is beating fast. Moyo wangu uri kurova nekuchimbidza. Ribs, mbabvu. He broke 2 ribs from the car crash. Atyoka mbabvu mbiri paaita tsaona nemota. The doctor suspects a broken rib, so we need to do an X-ray image. Chiremba vari kufungira kuti pane mbabvu yakatyoka, saka vati tiite mufananidzo we-X-ray. Naval, guvhu. His navel is big. Guvhu rake rihombe. You should clean the navel area of your child. Unofana kugeza guvhu remwana wako. Stomach, dumbu. My stomach hurts. Dumbu rangu riri kurwadza. He had a stomach operation. Akasonwa padumbu. Intestines, matumbu. I have ulcers on my intestines, so I cannot eat hard food. Ndine maronda mumatumbu angu, saka handikwanisi kudya zvikafu zvakaoma. I feel like my intestines are tied. Ndiri kunzwa kusunga mumatumbu. Thank you very much for joining us today on our third episode of Body Parts in Shona. Maybe for the highlights of today's lesson is intestines and dumbu. For all those who have been following us that much, you can relate, or you can tell me that dumbu in plural in Shona it's matumbu. When you see dumbu, let's say stomach, and then let's say there are men who have opened their shirts and you're seeing stomachs, you say matumbu. But then the intestines, now where the digestion takes place, that's matumbu in Shona. That's matumbu in Shona. So don't get confused with that. Just know that that's what it is when it comes to Shona, and that's how you translate the two, and that's how you say it. So thank you very much for joining us today. Do make sure to wait for the last episode on body parts in Shona. That's episode 4, when we are going to upload it. Usually we upload our videos on every Thursday, so do make sure to check every Thursday for new content on body parts in Shona. Thank you very much.